Now in this question, coordinates of the foci are given and the hyperbola is passing through the point 2, 3. We have to find equation of the hyperbola. Now given foci of the hyperbola are 0, plus minus root 10. Now since foci of the hyperbola S is 0, plus minus AE, therefore transverse axis lies on y-axis. First important step. Now the equation of hyperbola is then y square upon a square minus x square upon b square is equal to 1, where b square is equal to a square e square minus 1, and let this be equation 1. Is it clear? Now S is given plus minus root 10 and we are having 0, plus minus AE, therefore AE is equal to root 10. One thing. Now B square is equal to A square E square minus 1, or B square is equal to now AE whole square minus A square. Therefore B square is equal to 10 minus A square. Okay. Now substituting value of B square in equation 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Equation 1. Now what we are getting? Y square upon a square minus x square upon 10 minus a square is equal to 1. Now since 2, 3 lies on hyperbola, therefore 9 upon a square 2 minus 4 upon 10 minus a square is equal to 1, and this becomes 9 times 10 minus a square minus 4 times a square is equal to a square with 10 minus a square. Now on solving this whole part, what we are getting? A raised to power 4 minus 23a square plus 90 is equal to 0. On solving, okay, so now making factors. Now this becomes a square minus 5, a square minus 18 is equal to 0, or a square is equal to 5 and a square is equal to 18. Now if a square is equal to 5, then b square is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Putting value in this equation. Okay, and if a square is equal to 18, then b square is equal to 10 minus 18, that is negative of 8, which is not possible. B square cannot be negative. Therefore, a square is equal to 18 is rejected. Okay? No. Required equation of hyperbola y square upon 5 minus x square upon 5 is equal to 1, or y square minus x square is equal to 5. Answer.